exercise is targeting not only the musculature, the deep hip flexor, the psoas you can feel. You're going through abdominal muscles, but it's also going right for the colon itself. So it's quite a deep and thorough massage. So we'll start in this kneeling position known as Vajrasana, and we'll take our hands and we'll wrap our thumbs, making these kind of little fists. And we're going to use our fists as a massage tool as we take a child's pose, okay? So we're going to place our hands right on the inside of our hip bones, inhaling, and we're going to exhale. Coming down and massaging deeply inside those inner hip bones. Inhale, we roll up, bring the hands behind, lifting the heart any amount. And then exhaling, we'll come into a cat. A couple of cat rolls. Cat, we'll step one of our feet into a lunge. So this lunge is going to be stretching and opening the same part of our body that we were compressing and massaging in the child's pose. If you can take your head back, take it back. Otherwise, you can look straight forward, lifting the spine. Excellent. From here, I'm going to step back to a downward facing dog. Back to the cat, and then other foot will step. Stretching and opening the belly, the front of the hip. And then back to the dog. Down again for another round of our massage. So this exercise is targeting not only the musculature, the deep hip flexor, the psoas you can feel. You're going through abdominal muscles, but it's also going right for the colon itself. So it's quite a deep and thorough massage. Next, I'm going to cross my ankles, straighten my legs, and coming into this Marichyasana number 3. So the first variation, I'm going to wrap my arm around, press my backhand, lift my chest, and looking over the shoulder. Second variation, I'm going to get my upper arm to the outer leg and see if I can grab onto my outer calf. This is a little deeper, pressing into my backhand, trying to keep my spine extended and keeping that gaze over the shoulder. The other variation is to look forward. But this deeply compresses the abdominal contents. Tonifying your digestion. Last variation, we make the clasp. To counter that, we can take a little lift. And lower. Aiming to deeply rotate the spine, keeping both sitting bones even on the floor.